Hi everyone. I'll just show you quickly how to build a website, entire website using AI. So when you clients want a new website or a redesigned website, just let us know and we will create a demo server for you. So you'll see the domain here, and then let's say name comes here, and then your client's name will be here, and then obviously you'll get the WP admin section, so you can log in and have a look. Come down to Divi, come down to the dashboard, Divi Quick Sites, and then click on generate my entire website. And in this case, I'm just going to build a website for a digital marketing agency. You can just call the site's name like Rocket Digital Marketing, something like that, whatever your client's name is. And then in the slogan, you can add something like it'll help you increase sales. Let us something like that. And then in here, you got to be very specific. You could say create a website for digital marketing agency that specializes in AI chatbots and something like that, just whatever your client. Wait, that's not right. So it's really easy. Is that right? Yep. Chatbots. Let's say you're building one for a plumber. You would build a website for a plumbing business. This is the area he's in. These are the services like hot water installation, leaking taps, and all that. And then if they have a logo, come and add that here. If you're building an e-commerce site, you could click that, and that will connect your website to WooCommerce. In here, you can specify the colors. If you wanted to specify a certain text font, for example, Montserrat, you could add that there, and here you could say something like Poppins. Now, whatever you want, you can add that here, or you can let AI decide. So click on that, and then the AI will start creating. And in this case, it has just created this website. So we have just got a full website, created by AI in less than 2 minutes, and it has created all these different pages and different services of the AI of the website. And I'll just show you another thing you can do. Come here, enable Divi. For example, I'll show you how to customize it for your client. So let's say your client wants to have a specific service. Let's give it a minute, let it load up. It's taking a while to load up. Okay, here it is. So you can generate a section. So this is the section. You can generate a whole module, this one, which is a whole module section. And you can also edit this section here, or you can create one. So if you want to create one, let's say you want to create a section for any particular thing, you can ask the AI here, create a section. Let me check that spelling again. On SEO services. So just to give you an example, and you can of course fill this in. The AI knows it's a digital marketing company. Then again, of course, you have the choice here of customizing it, and just click on generate section, and you will find that it starts creating the content, adding the image. It does that for you, so you don't need to use templates anymore. You don't need to go and get ChatGPT to give you information or content. This entire website can be built on using AI. Give it a minute or so, and it starts building. And as you can see, it's already created that section for you. um, you can always change this text depending on what your customer wants, and an AI can generate that for you as well. So anyway, this is a quick demo on how you can approach a client, offer if you can even offer free websites. Come and get your domain from us, this one here, and then build that website for your client, show it to the client. If they're ready to go ahead, then we'll create a domain, we'll register a domain for them, and we will migrate these files onto their domain. And then we can also add a 365 Outlook connection to it. Again, we can SEO. And obviously, if you build their website, they're going to come back to you, so you can help them get more clients. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, guys.